Let me walk you through this free God's Eye shaker loop that you can actually download for free. Let's do this right after the intro. Yo, the name is Gwasa once again, and still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Alright guys, we're in FS Studio now, and I'm gonna walk you through these free shaker loops from me, God's Eye. Alright, and it's almost 40 plus. You can actually get these free shaker loops for free. All you have to do is to watch the video to the very end to know the password to unzip this file. All right, and for you to unzip the file, whenever you are extracting it, all you have to do is to dial the password 2 times. You have to verify the password 2 times. All right, so watch the video to the very end and you will know the password, the 4 digits to unzip the file. All right guys, so let's walk through the shaker loops. You can actually download this for free. Watch the video to know the 4 digits to unzip this file. All right, so let's start with this one. This is super crazy. This real shakers. All right, so if you don't know how to make shakers, all you have to do is to drag any of these into your Amapiano or Afrobeat and you are cool to go. Watch the video to the very end and I'm gonna give everything to you free in today's video. Arabic scatter, Arabic sakat, this agogo. You feel agogo? Hey, crazy. And one thing is that they come with their BPM. All right, so all you have to do is to look at the BPM and adjust the tempo of your beat or set your BPM to match this. Crazy. Waterfalls. Hey, crazy man, crazy. Give the video a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. It is only this channel that you'll be getting samples for free. All right, so all you have to do is to subscribe so that you will not miss out these bonuses. Hey, this maracas. Look at this. South American shaker, checker. Look at this, crazy. Hey, so give the video a like, because if I'm gonna give this thing for you, you also have to help me promote this video. When you give the video a like, YouTube gonna push this video to anyone who is searching for free shaker loops like this. So if you are getting this for free, why don't you give the video a like and also share it to your friends so that they can actually download these free shaker loops and we do music and take our music to the next level. Let's continue. Hey, this is crazy. Alright, so let's open this project. So first of all, this is just a drum, simple drum that I've made. Let's look at them. So it's just a kick, rim shot. Alright, then let's play with any of these shakers here. Alright, so I'm going to choose this one. Now, how can you use shakers well? If you watch here, you can see that this is not filling this bar. And if we play this, it will not be perfect. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to use shakers well. You can see it is off timing. So for you to make this thing fit into any tempo that you are making your beat in, all you have to do is to double click. Then I want you to play with the time knob here. All that you have to do is to drag it until it reaches this particular bar. I mean, it fills the nearest bar that you want. Alright, so let's do that, and you can see it is now filling this bar. Now let's listen to it. You feel me? Let's try another one and I'm going to show you more. So let's do the same thing. I'm going to delay this one. You can see it is not filling this bar. Alright, any shaker you want to use, at least it should fill about 4 bars or 2 bars. Alright, so we want it to fill the nearest bar, and if you check here, it is what, the nearest 4 bars. So we're going to double click, then push the time knob all the way so that it will fill here. Alright, we don't want it to come this way. No, it will be lagging. You feel it? We want it to fill the nearest 4 bar like this. Watch here, and now let's listen. If you want to know how to use shaker loops well in your beat making, then I want you to subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna make a special video for you guys how you can actually use any shaker loops and make your shaker loops sound perfect. Alright, now how can you actually download this God's Eye shaker loops? If you have watched the video to the very end, then by now you know the password to unzip these shaker loops. All you have to do is to extract, and when you are extracting the file, just enter the first password and it will ask you to confirm again. Just enter the same password and you can actually extract these shaker loops. Give the video a like if it helps you. But how can you get a perfect shaker loops in your beat making process? Then watch the next video that will show up on the screen. Until then, let's do more music. Stay blessed.